NRHA is pleased to announce that the 2014 Volunteer of the Year is Dr. David Schmitz. Dr. Schmitz serves as Program Director of RTT and Chief Rural Officer of the Family Medical Residency of Idaho. Nominated by staff member Laura Hudson, David Schmitz has gone above and beyond in his service for NRHA this year. He works closely with membership services as chair of the Clinical Constituency Group, with program services as a project advisor for the Rural Training Track grant, with government affairs as a subject matter expert. Dr. Schmitz helped plan this year's Rural Quality and Clinical Conference and served as an excellent MC. He received outstanding evaluations from the attendees. At every NRHA event, Dave makes it a point to mentor a student interested in rural family medicine and encourage them to become involved in NRHA. He also spreads the NRHA message in other organizations he works with in an eloquent and appropriate way, always looking for opportunities to collaborate to improve rural health care. Dr. Schmitz is extremely responsive to NRHA staff and professional in dealing with all other partners. He has reviewed numerous documents for the government affairs staff as they prepared comments for rural physician issues and more. Brock Slaybaugh of NRHA says, Dr. Schmitz is energetic and passionate about rural health, particularly so around physician workforce. He's an asset to NRHA, and we're thankful for his leadership. Ed Baker, professor and director of the Center for Health Policy at Boise State University, remarks, Dave is a research collaborator, a practicing physician, a father and husband, and a good friend. I do not know how he finds the time to do all of these things, but he does. Ted Eberly, MD, President and CEO of the Family Medical Residency of Idaho, remarks, Dave Schmitz is one of the hardest working and kindest people I've ever met. Both of those qualities in the same person are a hard combination to find. This is what I believe underlies his ability to make huge improvements happen. When you look up the definition of rural in the dictionary, you will see a picture of Dave Schmitz. He lives, breathes, and eats rural. In 33 years of being a family physician, I have never seen anyone more passionate about rural family medicine than Dave. NRHA congratulates David Schmitz, MD, as the 2014 Volunteer of the Year.